Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT and the Auertech Portable Washer. Both machines offer unique features and capabilities, making them suitable for different users. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE offers a compact 11 pounds, making it ideal for smaller loads and tight spaces. In contrast, the Auertech boasts a much larger capacity of 28 pounds, allowing you to wash more clothes in one go, which is perfect for families or larger laundry needs. This significant difference in capacity can greatly influence your choice depending on your laundry habits. The COMFEE's washing machine is fully automatic, which means it requires minimal user interaction. You simply load your clothes, select the wash program, and let it do the work. On the other hand, the Auertech is semi-automatic, requiring you to manually fill and drain water and operate the spin cycle. While this may be less convenient, it allows for more control over the washing process. In terms of pricing, the COMFEE is priced at $329, reflecting its fully automatic functionality and compact design. Meanwhile, the Auertech is more budget-friendly at $269, offering a larger capacity and a semi-automatic operation. This price difference may be a deciding factor for many consumers, especially those on a tighter budget. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and Auertech portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize convenience and a fully automatic experience, the COMFEE is a great choice. However, if you need a larger capacity at a more affordable price and don't mind a bit of manual operation, the Auertech is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.